Okay, thanks. The lawyer told me to go ahead. Nobody will know anything about you except your name. Happy?
Sorry, I'm late. Hi, I am Ananya, and you are?
Ananya, she's Maya.
Maya. Maya Jaising.
Maya. Maya the writer? Oh my god, I'm a huge fan, a big fan. I've read all your books, every line in it. Thank you so much. Thank you for being a part of our company. Thank you so much.
Ananya, she is the investor.
Shh, do not discuss company strategy in front of talent, Rudra.
She has made 40% investment in our company.
What do you mean?
I mean to say that Maya is a writer and the investor of our company. 2 in 1. Just like we get chocolate ice cream with vanilla. Just like that. She's chocolate and vanilla too.
Oh my god, wow! Double wow! When did all this happen, but?
It happened when your friend had not chose to dishonor the contract. It was clearly written in it that I want to work anonymously.
So there is a confidentiality agreement too. Okay, I need to sit.
I haven't dishonored the agreement. Ananya is my business partner. Every decision in this company needs her approval. Even this contract is invalid without her signature. Besides, you have made an investment of 40% and we have the remaining 60% investment, which means we both together are your boss. Remember that. Ananya, sign it.
But Rudra...
Trust me.
Nice to meet you.
Oh my god, Rudra, you need to tell me what's
Forget
happening.
it. Knowing Maya won't fulfill any purpose. She wants to remain anonymous. Let her.
Rudra, we are so dead. Media persons are standing outside to meet her.
What?
The writer wishes to remain anonymous. But Amir, we will expose this writer in front of this world. As a result, Rudra's contract will cease to exist. The writer will leave the company and the investor will reclaim the investment. And you know then, if anyone can save Rudra's company, it is MJ.
Today, the unique secrets will be revealed. Maya, the writer of international bestsellers, one whom nobody has ever seen. We will see her for the first time today. This exclusive press conference is for her. Today, the admirers of Maya will get to know how their favorite writer looks like and the reason why she chose to remain anonymous.
Maya, are you okay?
How dare you? What do you think of yourself? You think that I'll quietly tolerate this insolence of yours? That you will get close to me and I'll give in to your advances? What do you think I am?
Wait, just hang on for a while. What are you saying?
Powerful is the person who knows his own strengths and others' weaknesses. Mr. Rudra Roy, don't make the mistake of considering me to be weak.
I don't think anyone can ever understand you. Stop talking in riddles, alright? Tell me what wrong have I done?
You broke my trust. You broke the contract. What did I tell you? No press, no media, no publicity. And you called a press conference.
So you think I called all of them? Okay. Anyway, what's the big deal if they are here? Don't talk to them if you don't want to. End of story.
The story is not over and it is a big deal. What if they had seen my face then?
So what if they had seen your face? You're a writer, Maya, not a terrorist, okay? Who should hide in order to keep her plans a secret. And what are you trying to hide? Are you here to murder someone? Or kidnap someone? Is this some revenge drama or a secret from previous birth? What are you trying to hide? What do you want, Maya Jai Singh, that people should be scared of you? Or are you scared of people?
Rudra, Maya. I'm sorry. I'm really very sorry. I had called the media persons as I was excited. I had no idea about the agreement. I got to know now and now it's too late. Rudra is not at fault. It's my foolishness.
I'm not used to forgiving mistakes. And it is not my habit to talk to people like you.
Then develop one now. Or start working with machines, That would be better for you.
Rudra,
What?
can you stop
Hey,
this?
hold on. I was talking to her, Anu.
Have you lost it? Why are you talking so rudely with Maya?
Because she is a drama queen. We apologized for the mistake. Big deal.
It is a big deal. She is our investor, Rudra. And if we face a problem at this point, all our efforts will go down the drain. You get
Wrong.
it?
Firstly, efforts never go waste. Secondly, she's an investor, not God.
As of now, she is God for us. Please understand, Rudra. Please. Go and explain it to Maya while I handle the media persons.
No. I'll go and talk to the media persons. You go and handle Maya. Yeah? Or shall we flip a coin?
Rudra, please behave. Please do as I say, please.
You're taking undue advantage of our friendship. Remember.
Thank you.
Some ties are stronger than the ties of blood, and it takes great efforts to break such ties. At the right time, Rudra and Ananya's relation will break, and the reason for it will be Maya.
Maya. Maya? Maya's bag is here. Maya. Maya. Maya, it's me, Rudra. Relax, relax, relax. Relax, no. You. Are you afraid of the media persons? They have gone. You please don't worry. Relax.
No.
You come out. Maya, trust me. Trust me, I won't let any harm come to you. Come on. I promise. I promise. Trust me. Maya? Maya, relax. Everything's okay. Relax. Is everything okay? Maya?
What's wrong with her?